A promise is a promise. That's the gist of Senate File 110. The tax equivalency bill would hold Congress to its 1976 agreement to make payments in lieu of taxes on federal lands in the states. Former Utah State Representative Ken Ivory says the payments in lieu of taxes formula is subjective. And for the last 44 years, there's been no way to figure the fair value of millions of acres of land. Here's the promise Ivory says Congress made.
The payments would be equal to the property tax. Well, in 1976, they didn't have technology to figure out what that was. And so they came up with a subjective formula that was the number of acres and capped by the population, and you had counties that were getting about $1 an acre. Well, on your state lands, you generate about $45 an acre, and your private land gets about $50 an acre on taxable value. The PILT payments from the federal government are about $1 an acre. So there's now technology just in the last couple of years to actually use real data, real time, to determine the fair taxable value of that land, to help the federal government begin to discuss honoring that promise that they made.
Almost half of Wyoming's lands are federally controlled. Robert G. Howe, Cowboy State Daily.